Hi there, this is Jean from the Inky Studio. Welcome to my channel and welcome if you're a first-time visitor. Um, I am going to do the flip through on the Nature's Remedies portfolio tutorial that I did about a week ago, and this is the final results just to show you how I ended up decorating mine. And if you want to see that tutorial, I'm going to list that link down below. You can catch it down there. Anyways, the journal is ended up being 8 1/4 by 4 3/4 wide, and this is the back of it, and along the side, and I put in a silk tie here to put it together. And on the front, I have a little library card, and so cute, it came with the kit. I sewed around most of the tags and mounted some tea stain paper on the back. And this is like a couple layers here, and here's it's a digital, but it does look kind of real. It's a plate where you can write in your name or the year, however you'd like to do that. I've left all the file folders tab blank so that it can be filled out by the owner. And this is the first flip out here. And there is this cute little, just a cute little digital that came with the kit. It's this field notebook. It's so sweet. And inside I made a little mini journal out of it. And this has a string closure here with these little tab guys. And it opens and flips out. And in the pocket on the flip is a large tag here. And then in here are some notepad papers sitting on the inside. So there's plenty of room here to put, to add any kind of personal things you would like to add. I reinforced all the seams so that it will stand up to lots of folding. Here's a window envelope with a cute little tag peeking through on the inside. And I put in a long tag in a pocket here on the inside. And then here's the journal part. And the journal is 48 pages, both sides. The front part of it is cards printed on cardstock, so it's like a nice cover that you can keep. And then as you fill up the journal pages on the inside and replace them, you can, you can keep the cover, kind of, so it always coordinates with the rest of your file folder. And inside here are these two pockets. First one has these smaller tags, kind of left little tabs here that you can write on as well. Then in the back are the two larger tags. And here's another envelope, window envelope, with a tag inside there. This was such a beautiful kit to work with. I had a wonderful time. I bought both kits. I bought both Artie Mae's and Tracy Fox's kits, and you just get so much to work with. Great variety. And then here is a folio that opens up with a tag here. And inside this pocket I have put some tea stain paper for more journaling opportunities. And so there's a pocket there, and there's a pocket back here, and there's room there to put more of your personal memorabilia in there. Okay, so that is our little, oh, and I forgot about this flip. Yep, this one has a pocket in it as well, right here. So that is the Nature's Remedy Folio, and this will be available in my shop for those that are interested. I hope that you consider subscribing, because I have a couple of mini bag journals that I'm going to be finishing up here pretty soon and sharing. And it's the theme of them are going to be Alice in Wonderland. I know that's always a fun theme to for a lot of people. So thank you for viewing. I so appreciate it. And check out the tutorial down below if you're interested, and the DigiKits. Thanks for watching. Bye.